Hello, welcome back. A miserable, wet, rainy, horrible Sunday today. I should have been out riding, but instead, to cheer myself up, I'm going to post a stupid video. Back at the end of lockdown, I decided that I'll get the bike out. It had been parked away in the garden. Since then, we'd built a veg patch to kind of manoeuvre it around the veg patch. And I crashed. I'm an idiot. This is where I've got the bikes parked, just where those push bikes are now. Had to ride from here, where it was parked, up this little step, boosh, along past the veg patch, through the greenery, up this big step, and up to here, where I could then turn around and head out to the gate over the way there. Not quite how it happened. Let's have a little look. So there you have it. Next time you don't ride for a bit, just be careful how you get your bike out, or you end up being an idiot like me.